Hey everyone, welcome to Creative Entrepreneur. If you're looking for real ways to make money online, work from home opportunity, and entrepreneur success tips, then you are in the right place. I share latest strategies, side hustles, and business ideas to help you achieve financial freedom, all right? Welcome once again. And if you're yet to subscribe to our channel, kindly click on the red button and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that when I drop videos like this, you'll be the first to see them. All right. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a survey app that pays you for performing product reviews, and also you can perform personal reviews and market research. And this is well tested because I have downloaded the app and I've also performed survey from this app. So I'm going to show you how you can sign up and start earning money from this app. And this app is available almost all the parts of the countries of the world. So anyway, you're watching this video, let's kindly go to this is my Google my iOS store. So I'm going to type the name of the app. It's called PaidViewpoint. So let's open it. So this is how the app looks like. You can see on my own page over here, you can see open because I have downloaded the app. All right, and let's see. This is how the interface of the app look like, and you can see how the apps look like. So it's a very nice app to make money on view and on PaidViewpoint. All right. So just if you're using a Google phone, kindly go to your Google Play Store and download the app. All right. So before we go, let's go and search for some reviews. Let's go to Google. All right. So let's type PaidViewpoint review. So let's check. So I like checking for reviews so that we all can understand if this is an app for we to download and start working. So that is why I share information about reviews before we can start working on the app. All right. So PayViewpoint review generally described as a straightforward, user-friendly survey platform that allow users to earn small amounts of money by taking short surveys. All right. So you can see they say the probes, no disqualification policies, easy to use interface, reliable payout, short surveys. And what are the coins? We have low pay per survey, limited earning potential, and then we have potential for limited survey availability. Overall, if you are looking for a simple, reliable way to earn a little extra cash by taking surveys in your spare time, then PayPoint can be a good option. Can you see that? So however, don't expect to make a large amount of money from it, and be prepared to complete many surveys to reach a payout. So I'm going to show you another way in which you can make money on PayViewpoint. All right, so just stick and watch this video to the end. All right, so let me head over to the app. This is the app, and you can see I already have, let me go to my earnings. You can see I already have $1 on my current earnings. All right, so I have opportunity to withdraw if I have $14 more. All right, so that means once I have $15 more, I'm going to place my withdrawal. All right, so it's so easy for you to be able to make money on PayViewpoint, and you can see it's a legit website. All right, so how do you perform tax? You can see over here I have a survey to take. So when I click on take survey, I'm going to perform this survey for just 1 minute, and I'm going to earn within 0.03 cents. All right, so one of the ways which I promised in this video that you are going to make money through PayViewpoint is through referral. So let me head over to friends. So I need you to pay attention to these. They say earn up to $25 when each member you invite cashes out. Listen up. So once you invite your friends to referral, you are and they've been able to withdraw, you are going to get $25, which is going to help you to even make a lot of money on this app. So what do? You are going to click on invite friends. So when you click on invite friends, you can invite friends through your WhatsApp, through your email, through your social media accounts, Facebook, and so on. So once you invite your friends, you have opportunity to make $25 into your wallet, and that is a very good way to accumulate your reward. All right, so kindly come over and invite your friends. So that is the way. So imagine you invite 10, 20, 30 friends to download this app and work on this app. Once they reach the threshold of $15 and they withdraw, you are going to get $25. I think so far this is one of the referral programs that pays a little bit high. All right, $25 is a really good cash for you to make through referral. Most websites and most apps that I know don't pay up to $25 per referral. So this is a very good way to cash out on PayViewpoint. All right, so just like I said, you come over and you sign up. So once you download the app, you have opportunity to sign up. So let me log out. So you can see you can create an account. So this is how you're going to create an account. You're going to input your email and create an account. They're going to send you an email to your Gmail address just for you to verify your identity. All right, so when you input all those codes, and you are good to go. So that is how you can sign up on PayViewpoint app and make money. All right, so kindly go ahead and register and start making money. So let me go over to my and type PayViewpoint's countries availability. Let me type country availability. So let's see. So I like sharing information that will benefit almost every part of the country of the world. So PayViewpoint is available in over 55 countries. You can take surveys and get paid from anywhere in the world. All right, so I'm looking for, let me type PayViewpoint list of countries. So let's put it this way. All right, so he said over 55 countries, including the United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Germany, France, India, and Australia. So I know during the registration in the app, you are going to see if your country is available. All right, and they say in the United States, you must be 13 years old, and in Europe, users must be 16 years old. So you kindly know that. And after cashing out, you can expect to receive the funds in your PayPal account within 72 hours. All right, so that is one of the payment methods. So let me search for another payment method. Let me see if I can see information on that payment method. So let me type this. How does PayViewpoint pay? So let's see. They say click on the earning tab and you will see option to select your reward. After the first cash out, some countries will show the option to cash out with either PayPal or gift card. Right, so if your country don't have PayPal account, you have opportunity to withdraw your funds with gift card. Let's say if you're in Nigeria, you might have limitation to withdraw with your PayPal account, but you can withdraw using your gift card. So you have you can be rest assured they are going to withdraw. So let me search for another one. Let me type PayViewpoint for Nigerians, because I'm in Nigeria. So let's see if Nigerians can work on this site. Hold on, let me search again. Can PayViewpoint work for Nigerians. So let's see. Can you see? So if you're in Nigeria, pay attention. Yes, Nigerians can use PayViewpoint to earn money by taking surveys online. So if you're in Nigeria, any part of the states in Nigeria, you can also come over and register for PayViewpoint. So I hope I've given you the most information you need to know about PayViewpoint. All right. So kindly go ahead and download the app and start working on PayViewpoint. And just like I highlighted, one of the ways you can make money on this app is through referral, right? So you refer more people to the app, and once they withdraw, you can make more money. Thank you guys for staying through to the end. I hope you guys have gotten value from this video. If you have gotten value from this video, kindly go to the like button and smash the like button. And if you're yet to subscribe, kindly click on the subscription button. That is what is going to give me an encouragement to make videos like this. All right. Thank you guys for staying true to the end of this video. I'll be seeing you guys in my